Okay, so we're on the topic of protein treatments and kind of in this restorative phase of our hair journey. So I really want to use products that are going to restore and rebuild my hair. Now this next product isn't exactly a protein treatment, but it is a bond repair. So I am going to clump it into my protein series that's also in my deep conditioning series. So I am actually using Olaplex number 3. So this is it. This is the Olaplex. I'm sure you've heard of it. It has become kind of a household name in the last few years. And this is the Olaplex Hair Perfector, and it is number 3. It repairs and strengthens all hair types. And this is 3.3 fluid ounces, and it's about $28 at Sephora. So you can get it from Sephora or you can order it online, whatever floats your boat. But this is the size. It's a little tiny bottle, and it is about $30. The Olaplex Hair Perfector, it's the third step in a 3-part system. Step number 1 and step number 2 is performed in a salon. You do have to be a licensed professional to get those products and use those products, and I believe that's for a reason. So I am not going to be using that product. I do believe they have a shampoo and conditioner that you can buy at this time. I haven't really looked into those either. I'm just concerned with the repairing aspect right now, so I just have the number 3. So this number 3 is the third process in a 3-part series. Like I said, you do part 1 and 2 in the salon, and then this is the take home that you use to help protect your hair from any further damage. So this is not a protein treatment. This is a bond builder. So it's pretty much repairing broken bonds and relinking the hair and repairing it. I applied the Olaplex to my hair that was sectioned in 7 sections. Because of my density, I do have to work in small sections or I am not going to be able to penetrate and saturate my hair. So if you have very dense hair, very thick hair, I do recommend breaking the hair down into smaller sections and applying the product to small sections so that every strand is evenly coated, because you do want to saturate your hair. Now it does recommend to leave this product in for longer than 10 minutes. It doesn't specify the maximum amount of time, so I did sleep with it in. So you'll see the following morning I have my hair still in the sections. I kind of put it back into a ponytail. I placed a satin cap on, and then I placed a cotton bandana on as well, and then I slept with the product in, and then this is me the next morning and I'm waking up and I'm just untying my cap and my bandana so that you can see what my hair looks like. And then as you can see, you do not see any product residue, you don't see any white, because the Olaplex really penetrated my hair, and when I took my hair down the next morning, like, it just felt like it was kind of more of a leave-in conditioner that really absorbed into my hair. So because I did want the Olaplex to really take and be able to bond to my hair without any products or buildup, I actually shampooed my hair prior to placing the Olaplex in. It doesn't say that in the instructions, but I have seen some videos and some reviews, and I've seen people who have shampooed their hair and then applied the Olaplex just so they could be working with freshly washed hair that doesn't have any products that would block the Olaplex, and they just wanted to have a clean canvas, and I wanted that as well, so I did go ahead and shampoo my hair. Now you can also just dampen your hair with a spray bottle of water and apply the Olaplex straight. This is a pre-poo type of treatment. This isn't a post-poo, so you do want to do it before you shampoo. So if you shampoo and then apply it, you do have to shampoo again. So if you feel like that's just doing too much, just wet your hair, apply the Olaplex to damp hair, thoroughly saturate your hair, and then leave it on for up to an hour. I would recommend longer. Now, I did not use any heat with this product. Nothing in the directions or any videos that I've seen really said that you needed heat for this to work, so I didn't apply heat. After I shampooed and I rinsed this out, my hair was defined and it was soft, and it looked and felt way more manageable than it usually does after just shampooing. This is without conditioning, without deep conditioning. This is simply applying the Olaplex and then shampooing it out. Like, I feel like my hair looks better. Like, it looks like it will look after conditioning, not after shampooing. I feel like after shampooing, my hair is usually dry and there's not much definition, but with the Olaplex, I felt like it gave me definition right away, and my hair was soft and manageable. And as I was kind of rinsing everything out, usually I do have some hair strands that are in my drain catcher, but I barely had anything, so that was actually a great surprise as well, because hair fallout can sometimes indicate different things, and just because of the density of my hair, I don't usually pay that much attention to it, but noticing that there was far less strands in my drain catcher really did catch my attention, so I'm kind of like, oh. So I wonder if it was like a technique thing where I was getting more hair strands, or if it was just my hair naturally coming out. I don't know. That's going to be something I need to monitor now, since it's on my mind and on my radar. So I do really believe that this is a great booster to your healthy hair routine. So $28 for 3.3 fluid ounces is a bit outrageous, but if you have it in your budget and if your hair health is a priority right now, you're on a healthy hair journey as I am, I would recommend giving it a try at least once. A lot of people say you should be able to get maybe 2 to 3 uses out of this size bottle. It was, I don't even know if I can get 2 uses out of this size, because I used quite a bit. It's about here, which is a little less than half. So I don't know. And that was it. And I felt like I didn't really saturate my hair as much as I could have, just because I was trying to preserve the bottle. For me, I don't think I would do this once a week just because of the expense of it. I am looking to do it as maybe a monthly treatment, but no way would I do this once a week or even twice a week, just because of the density of my hair. I think that would just not be in my best interest financially. So like I said, I don't believe breaking the bank for your hair. I don't believe blowing your budgets or anything like that for hair products. If you can do it once a week because it is an awesome treatment. But if you can't, monthly is great as well. So let me know in the comments how you feel about that. Like, do you think you would do it weekly, or do you think you would do it more spread out just so that you could preserve it a little bit longer and not have to buy it so often? So Olaplex can repair compromised hair. It can be used as kind of a breakage insurance because it is going to link the hair and try to bring back any broken gaps or broken bonds in the hair. So it's going to help you moving forward not to have so much damage and to help repair any previous damage that you already have. So it is a bonder, so it's going to reform the disulfide bonds that link the hair together and make up the hair. So ultimately your goal with this product is to just relink and rebond the broken bonds of your hair. Like I said, it is not a protein treatment. If you want, I can get into the specifics with the differences between a bond repair and a protein treatment, but in this video I just want to focus on the Olaplex and kind of give you some information on that. If you haven't heard of it, I would recommend you do your research, watch some videos, see if it's something you want to try out because it is an awesome product. Just using it one time, I can see the difference, I can feel the difference, and I feel like my hair is going to really respond to this product, and the more I use it, it's going to gradually get better and better. Of course, if I was using it weekly, I could see the results faster, but like I said, for my budget, I'm going to use it once a month as my bond repair maintenance type of treatment, and weekly I do protein treatments, so I feel comfortable with that. So on my wash days, I shampoo, I do my protein treatment, and then I deep condition, and then once a month I will shampoo, do my Olaplex, shampoo again, do a protein treatment, because this time I did do a protein treatment because it does recommend you proceed with your normal wash routine, and my normal wash routine includes a protein treatment. So like I said, I shampooed, I did the Olaplex, I shampooed again, I did a protein treatment, and then I deep conditioned. And then I followed up with styling my hair. As you can see, I styled it in a wash and go, and I have fine strands, so my hair is extremely prone to breakage, and I am extremely prone to single strand knots. So I do feel like it's going to be a great boost and help my hair so that it's less likely to break and knot up. So I really hope to see awesome results from this. Like I said, I feel like my hair feels better. It feels soft, it's manageable. I feel like over time I'm going to start seeing less breakage, less single strand knots, and I feel like my hair has already been thriving, but this is going to be more of a booster to help it continue to thrive, so I'm really excited about that. If you haven't tried Olaplex or you haven't seen any reviews, definitely read up on it, watch some reviews. I hope mine has been helpful for you. I hope you've learned something new. As always, please like this video. I'd love it if you leave me a comment and subscribe to me. I'd love to have you as part of my sisterhood. And if you'd like, you can look me up on Instagram at XO_Rocky. I'd love to chat with you there. But until next time, see ya.